Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today we are in the kitchen making some hair mask for our hair. These are some of the ingredients that I use to make the hair mask, but you have to watch all the way to the end to know what other ingredients are added as I was making the hair mask. So for this I will need a blender to get started. The first thing I usually do is to cut the avocado. Now picking avocado is really important because you don't want to pick an avocado that's not soft enough. So you want an avocado that's soft enough and that you can blend easily. If you're enjoying this video so far, please consider pressing that like button, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. So now let's get back into those avocados. So I like to cut my avocados in small pieces before putting them in the blender. Now I'm gonna add 2 eggs. The measurement of how many eggs or how many avocado you are going to be using depending on how many people are going to be using the hair mask. For today I'm doing this hair mask for my hair, my 2 kids hair, so total 3 people. But if you're doing just for yourself, you most likely will add 1 egg or 1 avocado or half an avocado depending on how much hair do you have. So all depend on how many people are going to be using the hair mask. Then I will add some honey. Honey is good for hair because it adds some shine and some moisture to the hair. Some olive oil, and my favorite oil, coconut oil. So this is my first time using the Moringa powder. When doing research, I found out that it has vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, E, it has omega-3. So I decided I'm going to start adding this into my avocado mask. Let me know in the comment below if you have used this before and if you like it or not. I decided to add 2 scoops of the Moringa into our mixture. Now it's time to blend everything. So as I was blending, I realized I was missing some other good ingredients. So I added some aloe vera gel that I extracted the day before. I also added some castor oil. Let me know in the comment below, what is your favorite hair mask? As I was blending again, I realized that I forgot another ingredient, some mayo. So I decided to add more mayo, like 1 scoop of, actually I think I add 2 scoops of mayo. And these are all the ingredients that I used today to make my hair mask, and we are all done. And this is how it looks, nice and smooth, ready to put on our hair. Since you enjoyed this video because you made it to the end, please consider subscribing to our channel for similar content, and don't forget to press that like button, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.